Hello, my name is Martin Moore and today we're going to look at learning to do a flourish. Welcome to today's trick tutorial. We're going to look at a flourish. It's a club juggling trick that looks really nice and is not that difficult to do. Here's what happens. You throw the club from hand to hand. One club in your regular, normal cascade pattern. Then, as it comes from left to right, you're going to reach up and catch the club upside down. It looks like this. Just have a go at doing that and see how you get on. Now you've successfully caught the club upside down. The next stage is you bring the body of the club and the top of the club towards your face. The handle of the club moves away from you. You let that movement continue. It turns around in the gap of your thumb and falls in between these two fingers. You let the movement continue and turn your hand over. So now your thumb is on the inside. The club is being held between my index finger and the next finger. It then comes down and now it is back into normal club throwing shape. Let's have a look at that again. I throw the club and catch it upside down. I let it come towards my face. As it's coming towards my face, it pivots around into the gap between my thumb and my pointing finger. As it comes down, I make my fingers like scissors and the club falls into that gap. I pivot it around, moving my hand. My thumb is now on the inside. The club now is in normal club throwing shape and I throw it back. Catch, round, throw it back. That is the trick that is known as the Club Flourish. Good luck, have a bit of practice, I hope you managed to do it. My name is Martin Moore, this has been a trick tutorial. If you've enjoyed it, please hit subscribe, come back and watch some more videos. Good luck and good juggling.